Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios.
First stop, Animal Kingdom.
Yep.
See what we can get done, and we're gonna have a real good day.
Yeah.
Girls are out doing whatever, so the guys go to Disney World. See you in a bit.
Right now, you're walking, almost walking up to Dinosaur. This is shoulder view. That's how the media traveled. Here it is. This is Dinosaur World, USA. And next up, we're heading to Pandora Nahi River. Welcome to the world of Avatar.
Wow, that's cool looking. Next stop, we'll do a little Expedition Everest. You about ready to do this?
Yeah.
We'll do Expedition Everest.
Expedition Everest.
And here comes our train.
I'm so scared right now.
You scared? See if I'll be able to get some of this video. Get a nice picture of you as we go up. Whoa! Way up here.
The cave.
You ready? Oh, this is the worst part. I think we broke down. What do you think?
You guys heard that.
All done. What you think, bud?
That was fun.
That was good? Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow, I thought we broke down there for a second.
This is it for Animal Kingdom, and now we're heading over to Party World Studios.
Alright, looks like we made it over to Disney Hollywood Studios. Getting a little bit of rain. Gonna head over to Aerosmith, which is by far your favorite ride here, right, bud?
For now, soon it's gonna be Tron.
Yeah, soon it's gonna be Tron.
That's gonna be in the next couple of years.
Well, that's gonna be over at Magic Kingdom, Tron roller coaster.
Yeah.
Let's go give it a shot.
Here it is, our next ride. Walking roller coaster, Aerosmith.
Getting ready for this?
Yep. We'll see you
Those of you
after
who've
the
never been on Aerosmith, here it goes.
Watch this. See you after the ride.
All the way forward with Kenny on. Keep off the party heading, please.
Scan your front passes on either side, please.
Scan either side. Behind the yellow one.
Alright, dude, you ready for this?
Yeah, no.
Down in the boiler room.
Solo traveler, party of one. Anyone by themselves, party of one. Anyone else by themselves, party of one.
Did I lose you?
No.
Yeah? Alright, good.
Our next ride today is Toy Mania 3D shooting. And we have fast passes.
That's good. Because what is the wait time right now? 65. That's actually not too bad. We'll see you inside. Ready for a little Toy Story. You ready, bud? Who's gonna win? You or me?
Me. That's
You
what
are?
I won.
You think so?
Yeah, I got more than 100,000.
Yeah? bud.
Hey, welcome to our practice game.
Just pull the string.
What the time? What the time? Coming in fast. I think they've got the hang of it. Way to play, everyone. Now you get to score points.
I tried my best. Whoa.
It's that tossing time.
Hang higher to launch further.
Hey, don't let the donkey get away. That's great. Hurry, it's almost over. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And
Pretty good, Dad.
What do we got?
extraordinary plan.
One round out.
Whoa.
Look, the string goes up here and back in the ball. Some targets are worth more than others.
Oh, wow.
Nice. That's
Not bad. Now pause it.
Hold on a moment, folks. Okay, moving against
I think we might have just finished up. I know it's tough to see, it's 3D, but that was really good. What'd you think, buddy? Whoa, we're getting real big. Oh, one more, I think. Is this our scores? Rice, 123. Dad, 158. I think I got you, bud.
Wait, no. See? Wait.
What do we got?
Good job, Dad. You won.
Thanks, buddy. 123, and we both had 35% accuracy, so we're both really not good shooters. That's what that means. We just kept shooting and shooting and shooting. All right, on to the next. All right, we got done with Hollywood Studios. We're off to our next stop, which is going to be Epcot. Gonna try and get on, maybe test track. We'll see you then.
Get some Coke. And we made it at Epcot. Hey, I can see a ball from here. Oh no, it's falling. We are now at Epcot. Right now, we are going on test track. It's a future car building racetrackway. And it's an hour and it actually goes like quite fast, so we're going to do it.
We're putting the finishing touches on this car for test track. Those afterburners? There you go. That's it, buddy. You happy with the car? Look over here. Good to go? That's it. That's the one.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface. Connected to OnStar. SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Here we go. That's pretty cool.
Test results displayed and verified.
Uh-oh.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
You're in second place.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal performance. aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress.
Second again.
Environmental impact.
Again, second place.
Good job, Ed.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Whoa.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology
How we do?
disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
That's enough. Okay.
Here we go, bud.
Here comes the final test.
Power.
Energizing full power
There it is,
test.
Bryce. Power. Ready? Whoa! Bryce. Let me get his face. That's what we've been waiting for. Good job. So, dude, what'd you think of Test Track? We've been waiting for it.
That was a very, very good ride. And I scored 260 with a futuristic high-speed car.
Yeah?
I won the speed. I got second place twice, and I got fourth place.
Nice.
On the speed, the main first one, I got first place.
You got first place on the powers, which means we were going fast. Cool. All right, bud. Well, all right, this might be the last ride of the night. I know they redid Mission Space. Last time I tried this, about knocked me out, so I'm a little nervous. Yeah, Bryce. We're gonna. I think there's two versions, and if there is an easier version, guess what? That's what we're doing. We're gonna give it a shot.
That was it for our 12-day video at the Free Magic Walt Disney World Park.
In typical fashion, it is raining in Florida. It is a big disaster. We are soaking wet, and we're getting out of here, right?
Right. So subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
Until next time.